Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to add a debit card to your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account. Click on the wallet option in the top menu. Under Payment Methods, click on Link a debit or credit card. Select Debit Card and enter your card details, such as card number, expiration date, and CV Click Link card to save the details. PayPal may ask you to confirm your card by verifying a small charge, which will be refunded later. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.